Hi guys, question was, how do I test if my electric motor works or not? Now I'm assuming no electrical knowledge and no electrical skills. Here's an electric motor. This one happens to have a little weight on it, but that'll be handy because we'll be able to see if it's actually spinning or not. Here's a battery. The electric motor has got two terminals on it, which would normally have two wires going to whatever is running it. We need to connect the top and the bottom of the battery to the motor. Doesn't really matter which way round it goes, we just want to see if it works. So I have straightened out, or partially straightened out, a couple of paper clips, because I'm assuming that the person asking the question has no handy pieces of wire. So a couple of paper clips will be handy. So hold them on either end, and then see if we can do this so you can actually see what I'm doing. You can see the motor start spinning there. And there we go. So we know that the motor's okay, and in this case we know the battery's okay. If you do choose to use paper clips, make sure they're not ones that have got a plastic coating like this one, because the plastic coating will stop the electricity flowing, so that won't work. So we're just using these as a convenient source of wire. They're a bit stiff, and it's a bit of juggling to get your fingers on both ends to hold them in place. But once you've done it, you should be able to line them up. And there we go. So very simple, very basic, testing an electric motor with a battery. We're not worried about how fast the motor spins or what voltage it is. In this case, this is a small motor that's probably 1.5 volts rated anyway, and it's a 1.5 volt battery. But even if that was a 6 volt motor, it would probably spin even with 1.5 volts. It just wouldn't spin very fast.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave us a comment so we know how we're doing.